Hi, this is BMW 2 Series 2018 model or 17 model. Have a look in the dashboard. SOS Call System Failure, and there is a call sign and cross the sign. Yeah, we'll see what's going on. First of all, I'm going to take a computer report and have a look any faulty code for the communicating error. Right, I got the all faulty codes, but this is the important one. TCB, telecommunicate battery. Right, telecommunicate battery, hardware faulty, function limitation of last state calls. Right, okay, we know the some problems, we know some idea, we know some part to go. Then next step, I'm going to the battery. Normally this battery located behind. Normally this battery located underneath here. I need to remove this strip and little bit pull down. Yeah, you can see underneath. Once I remove the upholstering, there is a two clips. Need to remove this two clips. I'll remove and come back to you. Right, okay, I'm going to remove these two clips. If you're upholstering black color, it's good because it won't damage the upholstering. Otherwise, if it's white color, you need to make sure clean your hand. What we have to do, we can pull this knob, and after that remove these two caps. Then after that we have a clear access to the battery. You need to go a little bit deeper. You can see this one inside. This is the one. What we have to do is flap, lift up, then after that push back and remove the whole section. Right, once you remove the whole section, you can see here this tab need to open, but most time I will break this tab. We'll see what's going on there this time. Right, what we need to do, need to lift up here little bit and ply out the flap. Yeah, you can see this flap need to little bit lift up, put it underneath here, just lift up and remove the cover. Then after that we have access to the battery. Yeah, right, this is the battery. Yeah, if you need a part number, this is the part number. Yeah, I'm going to order the new battery. Once it come, I'll show you what's going on. Thank you. Right, I got the new part from the BM. Yeah, but slightly part number different. They said they changed the part number. Yeah, then I'm going to check identically this battery. Okay, identically both look like to same size, same 3 pin. Yeah, next step, I'm going to installation to the slot nicely. Then after that, make sure that 3 pin going to the this slot nicely, whatever you remove. Then after that you can this one slot to the thing, it's will locked. Then after that I'm going to install all upholstering and come back to you. Right, now it's in the slot, all good. See, nicely sit on. When it's push back, it will clip this one. Yeah, if you need to open, you have to pull this flap. It's not hard, just pull from here, take back. Right, okay, now I'm going to leave it everything as it is. Then I'm going to start the car and have a look what's going on inside. Right, I'm going to start the car. Yeah, still problem there. What we need to do, we need to reset from the, oh no, it's disappeared, it came and disappeared anyway. Yeah, it's still there, see, still came back. Yeah, I'm going to ignition on and going to reset this DTC. Basically we are going to clean this DTC because some scenarios this one going until software updating, very tricky to say at the moment. We'll see what's going on here at the moment. I'm going to switch off. 10 second. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Ignition on. Press OK. Yeah, all clear up. Then I'm going to switch off and start. Yeah, at the moment no any warning light. Yeah, next step I'm not going to stop from here. Next step I'm going to do the good road test and come back to you, but hopefully this one okay, but I'll take to the road test and have a look safer side what's going on here. Also I'm going to install everything, switch off the car and install everything as it is and come back to you. Right, all fixed at the back as should be, nice and tidy. Yeah, if you have a like this problem, you know what to do. Basically I didn't go to the road test, but I took it backward and forward 3 4 times, didn't coming up. Yeah, look like to me success jobs. Thanks for watching. If you need to join with us, our WhatsApp group, Facebook group, link below, you can click that link and you can join with us. Also, if you have a recovery truck or if you're doing mobile mechanic job, there is a website called towmycar.uk. You can join to that website and you can get more leads there. However, I'll add that link also in the description. Thank you. See you in the next video.